Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Roblox screen is stuck in vertical mode and not turning sideways on your phone, do not worry. This is a very common issue and it is usually caused by screen rotation being locked. Let me show you how to fix it quickly. First, open Roblox and join any game. Notice the screen is vertical instead of horizontal. Now swipe down from the top of your phone screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Auto Rotate or Portrait Lock option. If it is turned on or locked, tap on it to disable the lock. Once Auto Rotate is enabled, go back to Roblox. Now simply tilt your phone sideways. The screen will automatically switch to landscape mode. If it still does not rotate, fully close Roblox from recent apps and open it again. Also make sure you are not using any third-party screen lock app that forces portrait mode. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox fixes and troubleshooting tutorials.